Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ryan Dins for another episode. And on this episode, what we are going to do right now is we're going to talk about why I think Algorand is on the verge of a breakout. Now, I'm very good at technical analysis. That's my thing. I do know a pretty good amount about crypto, but how I've been making my money in crypto is I've been looking for obvious patterns and then understanding what is going to happen when I see these patterns. And the patterns in crypto have been very predictable lately. And the fact that we're clearly in a bull market leads me to believe that this obvious bull flag right here, you can look at this, if you count right here, it's been forming since mid-August. So, it peaked September 13th, and it is just looking very nice. If we can get to $2, if we can break $2, it's probably gonna fly to like at least 250. It's real obvious that that's gonna happen. I could zoom in a little bit to even show like, yeah, I mean, if you want to be more, not that it makes big difference, but if you want to be more perfect with the chart, it'd be like there. But either way, if it breaks right here, it's gonna break right here in the next few days, $2. Now, if it doesn't do that, it'll probably bounce off the bottom and then consolidate a little bit more and then fly somewhere around here. I don't think it's going to go down. There's a lot of people talking about it. They were just discussing it on CNBC the other day. This is October 6th, is like 3 days ago. And this particular person said that the two biggest coins that they're looking at are Solana and Algorand. Bill Baruch, I don't know too much about him, but he's, runs Blue Line Capital. So, a lot of people are talking about it. If you want to know what Algorand is, it's a cryptocurrency and blockchain protocol that aims to be simultaneously scalable, secure, and decentralized. It uses a consensus algorithm called pure proof of stake. So this is your typical protocol. It's very likely that it could end up in the top 10 cryptocurrencies. This is highly undervalued at this point, in my opinion, based on how much hype there is and how good of a use it is. Like a lot of these coins and tokens in the crypto space are just useless, and there's a lot of hype around them, and there's some that could change the world, and Algorand is one of them that could change the world. I'm not the only YouTuber or Instagram or influential person talking about this. A lot of people are talking about it, and I mean, I don't think that it's that unlikely for it to hit like 260, at least 250, and 250 would be about a 30% gain. So I just bought a good amount. I basically quadrupled my position. Not that me quadrupling my position is huge, because I didn't have too big of a position before, but I'm starting to take a little bit bigger risks, because unfortunately, like I've 8x'd my money by buying mainly Ethereum and Bitcoin and swing trading those. But if I would have taken a lot of risk, because I was buying when Bitcoin was around like 8,000, if I was buying altcoins during that time, I could have like 20x'd, 30x'd my money. And if that happened, I would be pretty pretty semi-rich right now and not really have to worry about getting money on any other ways. But I took it conservative and still 8x my money, but like it wasn't life-changing. It was just like, okay, now I have some money, but I'm not rich. However, I think that the bull run is going to continue. And if you think that the bull run is going to continue, like I do, and you're confident in that, you don't want to just double your money by having it in Bitcoin. You want to, potentially 10x your money. And I think the way of doing this is catching these altcoins that are about to break out. I'm also looking at gaming cryptos. You just got to look for the next trend and really see what's coming. And what I think is going to happen here, if it breaks through here, there's no doubt in my mind that it's going to like end up somewhere around here. No doubt in my mind. But if it doesn't break through here, it could bounce here and then could bounce back and then break out then. The worst case scenario is that it breaks this playing field and it could either end up here or at worst case here. But I don't see that happening. I would see that happening if there was a reason why nobody wanted Algorand, but there's a lot of use for it. So that's all I got to say. Make sure you hit this like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And that's all I got to say for this episode. So peace.